So we finally made it home from our birthday trip. We had so much...
It is kind of scattered everywhere, but I think I've managed to find...
Wow! Yeah!
It works really well with my butt.
That was crispy. You better not fart, bro. What can you... Dude, that sounds smell like mierda, bro. What do you expect? It's already 1 in the morning. I can fart in command.
Okay, do it.
In command or on command?
On command.
Oh!
What the heck? I can do it all the time I want.
What the frick?
You!
Where are you sucking the air from? Oh my god, it sounds wet.
It's just the tongue
You're
kind
the
of...
producer, you're meant to know.
Yeah, well... None of his faults. Oh my god, she's reading lyrics. Stop. Well, I'm...
That's insane.